Alex, excuse me, Miss Davis, do you have a moment? Miss Davis, of course, Alex. What can I help you with? Alex, I'm having trouble printing my Excel spreadsheet for the assignment. It's quite wide, and when I print it, it always spills over onto a second page horizontally. I want it all to fit on one page, widthwise. Miss Davis, that's a very common challenge when printing spreadsheets. It's good you're trying to fit it. Printing efficiently, like this, helps save time and avoid wasting paper. Have you used the print preview function? Alex, not really. I just hit print. Miss Davis, always start by checking the preview. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl P. This gives you a visual representation of how your data will be laid out on the page. Alex, okay, I just did that. Yes, I see what you mean. The right part is cut off and goes on to another page. Miss Davis, right. Now, if you go back to your normal sheet view after the preview, you'll notice dotted lines appearing. These lines indicate where Excel thinks the page breaks will occur. You can try manually adjusting column widths or moving data around to get everything within those dotted lines. Alex, my sheet is very wide though. Adjusting manually would take a long time. Is there a quicker way to force everything to fit horizontally onto one page? Ms. Davis, yes. There's a powerful setting for that in Page Setup. Go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Alex, got it, Page Layout. Ms. Davis, now in the Page Setup group, click the small launcher arrow in the bottom right corner, or find the Page Setup dialog box. Alex, found the dialog box. Ms. Davis, inside the Page Setup box, go to the Page tab. Under Scaling, you'll find the Fit To option. This is what you need. Alex, yes, I see Fit To. Ms. Davis, for your situation where you want to ensure the width fits exactly onto one page, regardless of height, you should select the Fit To option and set it to 1 page sessions wide by 0 tall. Alex, 1 page sessions wide by 0 tall. What does 0 tall mean here? Ms. Davis, setting the tall value to 0 tells Excel to scale the sheet horizontally to fit 1 page wide, but it will use as many pages as necessary vertically to accommodate all your rows. This is perfect when the width is the main problem. If you wanted it to fit entirely on 1 page total, both width and height, you'd set it to 1 page / wide by 1 tall. Alex, I understand now. Fit to 1 page / wide by 0 tall is key for my wide sheet. I will select that. Miss Davis, excellent. Click OK to apply the setting. Now go back and check your print preview. Ctrl P. Everything should now be scaled down to fit within the width of a single page. Alex, wow, it worked perfectly. All the columns are on 1 page now. That was so much faster than trying to resize everything manually. Miss Davis, wonderful. Remember that setting. Also, sometimes just changing the orientation from portrait to landscape on the Page Layout tab can help wider sheets fit better. And you can also adjust margins or define a specific print area if you only need to print a portion of the sheet. But fit to 1 page wide by 0 tall is usually the most direct solution for wide data. Alex, thank you so much, Miss Davis. You saved me a lot of frustration. Miss Davis, you're very welcome, Alex. Good luck with your assignment.